What if I told you that the secret to staying mobile, strong, and independent, even at 90, starts with what's on your plate? If you want to protect your joints, prevent pain, and keep moving with ease, stay with me. Today, I'm revealing the 10 most powerful foods and vitamins to prevent and heal rheumatoid arthritis while keeping your hands and legs strong for life. Also, I'll share a quick, delicious recipe to fuel your joints and muscles. And healing powers of copper. Please subscribe, thank you. A deeper look at the idea of healing RA with copper jewelry. Ancient origins and beliefs. Ancient Greece and Egypt. Copper was associated with Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty, and used to balance the body's energies. Egyptians used copper for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties in ointments and surgical tools. Ancient story of Hephaestus, Aphrodite, and copper creations. Hephaestus, god of metallurgy and husband of Aphrodite, forged many divine objects from copper and bronze. Myth suggests he created copper anklets and girdles for Aphrodite, believed to enhance her seduction powers. And possibly even blind gods or mortals with irresistible attraction. On the island of Cyprus, where the sea foam kissed the copper cliffs, the goddess Aphrodite rose from the waters. Adorned not with gold, but with bracelets forged from the heart of the earth, warm, glowing copper. She wore them not as mere ornaments, but as vessels of her energy, to soothe the sorrows of love, ignite fertility in barren hearts, and melt even the coldest wrath of the gods. Her bracelets glowed with the pulse of life itself, warming the blood and healing the soul. Even the sick who touched her copper-laced veil found their joints loosened, their hearts lightened. And so, the legend grew, that copper worn near the skin is a gift of Aphrodite, a whisper of her eternal healing. Symbolically, Aphrodite's jewelry made of copper was thought to attract love, amplify beauty, and even protect the heart chakra, the seat of divine feminine emotion. The use of copper jewelry to help relieve symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, RA, has a long history, blending ancient traditions with modern reports. While mainstream medical science remains skeptical due to limited clinical evidence, many holistic and spiritual traditions, including ancient Greek and Ayurvedic systems, have long valued copper for its anti-inflammatory and balancing properties. Ayurveda and Chinese medicine. Copper is seen as a heat-conducting and detoxifying metal that aligns with balancing Pitta dosha, fire, energy, and improving circulation. Spiritual practices. Copper is believed to conduct spiritual energy, ground the body, and act as a conduit for healing frequencies, especially in chakra work or when worn near acupuncture meridians. Modern theories. Copper may help RA anti-inflammatory properties. Copper ions are believed to be absorbed through the skin in small amounts, which may reduce joint inflammation and swelling. Trace mineral absorption. Some claim that copper jewelry may help correct a mild copper deficiency, which is thought to play a role in connective tissue health. How to use copper jewelry for healing. Wear consistently. Bracelets on wrists, rings on fingers near painful joints, ideally in direct contact with skin. Look for raw or uncoated copper. Coated or lacquered pieces don't allow skin absorption. Clean. Copper oxidizes and forms verdigris, greenish layer. Clean with lemon juice or vinegar to keep it energetically and physically active. Copper jewelry may be for those who believe in the body's ability to resonate with the earth's elements. It can be a powerful ally, a symbol of ancient wisdom, warmth, and healing that connects body, earth, and spirit. Pair with healing rituals. Many find greater benefit when copper is used during meditation, prayer, or affirmations focused on healing joints. No known serious risks, but wearing copper can cause temporary skin discoloration or allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. I hand-created these copper jewelry, and I wear it every day and feel great. It can be a complementary tool in a holistic healing plan. You can find my copper jewelry artwork on my Instagram, Rays of Wire or Inventoress. Also, did you know that what you eat every day can be your best defense against rheumatoid arthritis? Today, I'm sharing 13 powerful foods and vitamins that help prevent and heal RA, naturally. Now, let's start with foods that fight inflammation and protect your joints. Anti-inflammatory superfoods for strong joints and muscles. If you want to walk, dance, and stay active, even in your 90s, these foods are your best friends. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, rich in omega-3s, these fight inflammation and keep your joints smooth, so you can walk with ease for years. Sizzling salmon in a pan with onions and herbs. Turmeric, this golden spice is nature's pain reliever. Turmeric reduces swelling and keeps your knees and hips moving freely. Stirring turmeric into a warm tea. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, packed with antioxidants that fight joint damage, so your legs stay strong and pain-free. Blend berries into delicious smoothie. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, loaded with vitamin K, which protects your bones and prevents falls, because strong bones equals strong legs. Nuts and seeds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, full of omega-3s and magnesium, which reduce stiffness and keep your legs flexible. Very delicious mango with chia seeds smoothie. Essential vitamins to keep you walking strong at 90. If you want to stay active for life, these vitamins are non-negotiable. Vitamin D, essential for bone strength. Without vitamin D, this is how osteoporosis in the bone look like. Bones get damaged with holes and weaken, leading to falls and fractures. Osteoporosis on a toe bone, X-ray. Vitamin D, get it from early morning or evening very healthy sunlight, fatty fish, or a supplement. Vitamin C, boosts collagen to keep your knees, hips, and ankles strong, so every step feels easy. Juicing fresh oranges and lemons. Magnesium, prevents muscle cramps and stiffness, so your legs stay flexible and pain-free. Almonds are full of magnesium. Boswellia, frankincense extract, a powerful ancient remedy that keeps your joints moving smoothly for a lifetime. Herbal medicine, a Boswellia supplement. Cod liver oil, a fish oil supplement, a game changer. Packed with omega-3s and vitamin D, it reduces joint inflammation and keeps bones strong, so your legs don't weaken as you age. Taking a spoonful of cod liver oil. Dry yeast, nutritional yeast, rich in B vitamins, especially B6, which helps reduce joint pain and stiffness. Plus, it supports nerve function, so your legs don't tingle or go numb. Sprinkling dry yeast on a salad is a great, delicious way to consume yeast. Vitamin B12, essential for nerve health and energy. Deficiency leads to muscle weakness, balance issues, and even falls. B12, get it from eggs, fish, or a supplement. These 13 foods and vitamins don't just reduce pain, they keep you mobile, strong, and independent, even at 90. Now, let's put them together into a simple, delicious meal. A quick daily exercise for strong, pain-free legs. Recipe: Omega-3 Power Bowl. Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, for strong bones, 4 ounces grilled salmon, for joint protection, 1 handful spinach, for vitamin K, 1/4 avocado, for healthy fats, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, for omega-3s, 1 tablespoon olive oil, natural anti-inflammatory, half a teaspoon turmeric, pain relief, 1/2 lemon, vitamin C boost, 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast, for B vitamins. Directions: mix all ingredients. Drizzle some olive oil, squeeze fresh lemon, Add all to a bowl and enjoy. This is the kind of meal that keeps you moving, pain-free, and strong, now and in your 90s. And now easy golden turmeric ginger tea, natural pain reliever. Ingredients: 2 cups hot water, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, or freshly grated turmeric, half a teaspoon freshly grated ginger, 1/4 of a teaspoon black pepper. Enhances curcumin absorption, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1/2 lemon, juiced. Instructions: heat water and add turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain, add honey and lemon juice. And enjoy. Drink 1 to 2 times daily to help reduce inflammation. Ginger is full of vitamins. Anti-inflammatory green smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup almond milk, or coconut water, 1/2 cup frozen blueberries, 1/2 banana, 1 handful spinach or kale, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon cinnamon. Reduces inflammation and stabilizes blood sugar. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. Drink in the morning for an anti-inflammatory boost. Best supplements for RA relief. Omega-3 fish oil. Take 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams daily to help reduce joint inflammation. Curcumin, turmeric extract. Look for 500 to 1,000 milligrams with black pepper for better absorption. Vitamin D3 if deficient, take 1,000 to 5,000 IU daily, best taken with healthy fats like eggs or fish. Magnesium glycinate, take 200 to 400 milligrams daily to support muscle relaxation and reduce stiffness. Collagen peptides, help strengthen joints, take 10 to 15 grams daily in smoothies or coffee. Or eat some delicious, fresh bone broth. Boswellia, frankincense extract, a powerful anti-inflammatory herb, take 300 to 500 milligrams daily. Our hands and legs are sacred. They carry us through life, toward loved ones, through prayers, into nature. When we nourish our bodies with these healing foods, we don't just reduce pain or stiffness, we reclaim our strength, our independence, and our grace. Even at 90 years old, you can still walk tall, climb stairs, and move through your day with joy and confidence. Let nutritious food be your ally. Let every bite be a blessing. Do you use any of these healing foods or vitamins in your diet? Do you wear copper jewelry? Please write in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.